Hello friends, welcome to my channel where you get job updates and internship updates on daily basis. And you can also check my previous videos here. I have made lots of videos for opportunities of full stack and technical opportunities that the companies are hiring. So in today's video, I have brought you opportunity of data engineer role. Here IBM is hiring for data engineer and data platforms which you will be working on AWS. So the job location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. The work will be of hybrid work, so you will be going to office for 2 or 3 days a week, and the area of work will be of data and analytics, and employment type is regular, so it is a full-time opportunity. Who are in their college 4th year or are recent graduate, they can apply here. Talking about the shift, the shift is a mid shift, so you will be working from afternoon to somewhat night. Traveling is required up to 20% or 1 day a week, so it is a only 1 day office job, and after that it is totally hybrid. What are the jobs and key responsibilities they are asking from the student? It is a big data. As a big data engineer, you will develop, maintain and evaluate the big data solutions. So whatever the big data solutions you have over the data that you have been given, you have to evaluate. That main focus will be on big data, and you will be involved in engineering activities like creating pipelines and workflows for source to target and implementing solution that tackles the client needs. So whatever the client needs is there, and if the client is facing an issue throughout his target, so you will be troubleshooting it, and your primary responsibilities will be including designing, building, optimizing and support of the client and the product that he is seeking. You will be building, deploying and managing data infrastructure. I have talked about it, and the requirement for this job role is that you should have a bachelor's degree in related field, like you should have done computer science engineering or the master's degree in computer science. You should have a degree in of a 4 year, which is required, and it is also preferred. Like if the two persons are applying for this job role, one is having bachelor's degree, one is having master's degree, so they will go for master's degree, because here they have written that they will prefer master's degree over bachelor's degree. So it is a good opportunity for master's degree students. And if you have done bachelor's degree also, don't worry, you can also apply here and you can also grab this job. You just have to build a project in your resume, add the projects that you have worked on, add that data and analytics works, showcase them in your resume, build 2-3 projects related to that. So and one thing and another thing you can do is include the requirement technical skills that they are asking, like you will be doing in PySpark code for AWS Glue jobs. So you should have AWS in your resume, PySpark in your resume, EMR in your resume. These are the things that you should be having in your resume. You should have development in Python and PySpark programs for data analysis. Apply them in your resume so that the chances of getting resume selection is much higher. Good work experience with Python and develop custom framework for generating the rules. So create a Python program or Python project also that will showcase your programming knowledge in Python. You can also add Hadoop and also integrate a Python with API support application. So it is mandatory to you to add Python programming as a basic need for this job role. Create a programs, create a projects. If you have not created, go to YouTube and search for any data science, data analysis projects that is made using Python, and also include API support in that. Develop Python code to gather data from HBase and design the solutions to implement using PySpark. So overall, they are asking these technologies. One is PySpark, AWS, Python, Hadoop, and Python API support. So include these things so that your shortlisting of the resume can be higher. One more thing is that you should also include SQL also for the database purpose, that you have done some SQL injections or somewhat like database related queries projects. So also include SQL also. If you have understanding of DevOps, Java, Scala, and other building end-to-end integration and processing solution, they are having preference for this job role. So to apply job role, I have given link in the description, and also check out the job ID if the link is not working. So job ID is 48011. You can go to IBM careers page and search it with job ID, and after that create a IBM account and apply for this job. Another opportunity is from Abstrabit, which is Abstract the Bits company. It is hiring for full stack developer intern whose main focus is AI, and they are hiring for class of 2025. So those students who are recent graduate from 2025, this is the best opportunity for them because you will be working as a full stack developer intern, and the job will be of AI focus. So you can boost your resume, and you can also apply for more AI focused or full stack developer job, so that you can also grab a good package after this.